Yeah. I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me.
Umiam Lake, a mesmerizing man-made reservoir, is located at a distance of 15 kilometers north of Shillong in the state of Meghalaya, India. This is also known as Borapani Lake. The lake was formed after a dam was constructed to generate hydroelectric power. The Umiam Lake is encircled by green East Khasi hills that form one of the best panoramic sites for nature lovers in the country. In Khasi language, the name Umiam means water of tears, and there's a fascinating story around it. According to the fable, there were once two sisters who began their journey from heaven to descend to Meghalaya, the beautiful abode of clouds. The younger sister lost her way during the journey. The grief of not being able to find her sister was unbearable for the elder sister, and she shed tears continuously. The tears thus formed the Umiam Lake. Here you can do this, and this. This place is well maintained. Please do not pollute this place by throwing garbage here and there. With that said, please like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos.